Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on Sugarpill's High Tea Bundle Liquid Lipstick Collection, which consists of 5 liquid lipsticks, which are right here, which are Dainty, Trifle, Crumpet, Clink, and Dutchess. So I'll do a couple of swatches on my hand and then I'll put them on my lips so that you guys can see them. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you like the review. So if you're ready for this like I am, stick around. So the first one we're going to try on is Dainty. So the liquid lipsticks claim to be bold, opaque, matte, ultra pigmented, and long-lasting wear. So they're also claimed to be scented in creamsicle scent. So we will see on those. So this one here being Dainty. I'll give you guys a swatch here. So you could see that there. It's sort of like a rosy nude color. And then I'll try it on my lips now. I think for the sake of trying to keep clarity on the color, I'll just dab my lips in some foundation. That way the color can really show through. Definitely it does have the creamsicle scent. They feel very light, mousse-like texture, very smooth. They feel light. They're not sticky at all. And they, of course, they do have some pigmentation, which is opaque, which is pretty nice. So yeah, so this is more of a rosy nude color. All right, let's move on to the next color, which will be Trifle. Okay guys, I couldn't take it off with regular tissue. I actually had to use a wipey. So I guess it is very long lasting. So yeah, so let's try Trifle. This one seems to be a little darker. All right. Yeah, so I think it's a little darker. This one does feel a little drier than the previous one. Okay, so yeah, definitely the same scent, creamsicle. Does feel very light, not sticky at all. Same consistency, most like feeling. Pretty nice. I do like the nude color. It's pretty nice too. Okay, so let's move on to the next color, which is Crumpet. Yeah, so this one is Crumpet. And this one is definitely darker. actually like this color better than the other two. But there's times when I'm in a mood for a nude. This one's, I mean, this one's also like a nude, but it's a darker brown nude. Same scent as well. Lightweight. This one does feel just a tiny bit sticky. I'm not sure if you could see it. Yeah. Very pretty color. Yeah, and it's definitely opaque. So yeah, very pretty. All right, let's move on to Clink. That's pretty too. This one's got a dab of red, reddish, then brown. It's pretty. Definitely same scent. This one feels really light, not sticky at all, and very opaque for sure. Yeah, and I would have to say that the ultra pigmentation is definitely there for them so far. Yeah, I like this one. I gravitate towards darker colors. So yeah, I'm liking this. Okay, and now we're going to use the last one, which is called Dutchess. So it is getting harder to take off. Guys, if the tissue isn't working for you, you're gonna end up using some type of oil or wipey to take it off, because it definitely sticks. This is Dutchess. So that one's got a bit more red into it, brickish color. Okay. Oh, this is another pretty one. It's very pretty. Same smell too. I mean, all the other things apply to it too. Smooth. This one's not sticky. This one's smooth, feels light, definitely opaque, ultra pigmented. I have no doubt it's long lasting as well. So, I really like all of them. But I think I'm gravitating towards these three right here. I like nudes too, like rosy, but I like darker colors. So, what am I thinking? Yeah, I'm thinking that the claims are to be true. They're very pigmented for sure, and mousse-like textures, ultra pigmented, and definitely long-lasting for sure. So yeah, I like them. So I'm glad I purchased them. So that concludes the review. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like the review. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a good day. Bye.